to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the new details dash your hopes for a Galaxy S25 Ultra battery upgrade. The network has confirmed new battery details on the China Compulsory Certification database that will disappoint Galaxy users. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. After 5 months, Samsung will likely unveil its next Galaxy lineup. But most of the details about the top-end model in the lineup have already been revealed. If you were hoping for an upgrade for the Galaxy S25 Ultra battery capacity, your hopes would be dead, as it isn't getting any upgrade. According to the latest information in the China Compulsory Certification database via 91 mobiles, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery capacity is 4885 mAh. This is similar to the Galaxy S24's Ultra battery capacity, which means as usual the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery will be advertised as 5000 mAh. A previous report also claimed that the Samsung won't be upgrading the charging speeds, so if you were hoping to see a bigger battery or fasting charging speeds with the Galaxy S25 Ultra model, prepare to be disappointed. Chinese rivals Honor, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi have already started equipping their flagship phones with batteries larger than 5000 mAh. So reports claimed that Chinese brands are testing batteries and even 7500 mAh battery capacities. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra lasted a day with a heavy use, a bigger battery will surely help it last a day and a half even with heavy use. Hopefully Samsung will start using silicon carbide batteries similar to what Chinese firms have adopted for their high-end smartphones. So here is what to expect from the Galaxy S25 lineup. Samsung will reportedly introduce a new design for the Galaxy S25 lineup featuring rounded corners. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will get a huge camera upgrade featuring a 200 megapixel primary camera, two 50 megapixel telephoto cameras and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The devices in the lineup will use the Exynos 2500 chipset or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor depending on the market. Both are 3nm chipsets and have big performance improvements. The devices will also run Android 15 based One UI 7 software out of the box. If Samsung continues with its pattern, the devices will get 7 major Android operating updates and several Galaxy AI features. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 lineup will officially launch early next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.